All right, what's going on? I'm on my way down the mountain right now, so I got a second to chill. Gonna put together a little adventure here for you. You guys really loved the last time I went out into the woods. This one's a little bit more of a kind of an adventure. I'm cruising on my bike down to this place called Waterfall. It's a place where I like to sometimes run up the side of this mountain. Or today I'm probably just gonna walk, but we'll see. I always say I'm gonna walk, and then some jogger runs by me, and I'm like, okay, see ya, sucker. Because I have a huge competitive whatever. Anyways, I'm taking you with me on this adventure, and let's see if we can have ourselves a really good time. There's a waterfall there, and you get to hike up to 3 miles all the way up a stream. There's several waterfalls along the way, and then when I get to the top, I'm gonna baptize myself like I do, and we should have some fun, okay? So right on. I gotta pedal now because there's some uphill action coming, and I'll talk to you and I'll see you on the next section. Peace. Waterfall State Park, a little getaway. It's a nice state park hidden away from it all. All right, I'm gonna go check this out. Join me? All right. This is one of my favorite times when I start walking into the woods and start leaving the world behind for a while. Come forth into the light of things, my brothers and sisters. Let nature be your teacher. Can you see me in the sign back there? Yeah. Let's go see what we can learn. Yeah, just getting started here. It's about a 3-mile hike up to the top and then 3 miles back. It's going to be pretty straight up, but I got inspired to share with you, I mean, this is a really cool part of the trail, obviously, but then I just wanted to share with you the sound, really. So we'll take a moment and we'll listen to the sound of the river. That is one of my favorite parts of this particular walk, or any walk in nature really, is the water. Something about it, huh? Anyways, one of these days you're gonna have to come with me on one of these hikes. We'll load up the pack with fruit, and one of my visions has always been to go out with a group of people on a silent hike. How does that sound? Where you don't do what I'm doing now and talking out on the trail, but you just take your fruit, maybe some green juice in the cooler, and walk up the trail in silence and just really get that purity that can only come from the silence. Okay. See the river? Yeah, okay. Yeah, some call them negative ions. I just call them waves of light that lift me higher. So put this beautiful sight on your heart, and I'll breathe some in for you. Here's the infilling of life, and here's the outpour, that which is no longer needed and no longer of service. Fill yourself with life and let go of that, of everything which would obstruct that. Amen? We'll turn back to the light before we say goodbye. These are the lower falls right here. A couple of people down there chilling out. And look at where we're headed. That'll come into focus for me. It might be hard to see, but back there is an incredibly large waterfall. So I will let you know when I get there, but look at this swimming hole. I might have to come back and take a dip when I get done. I'll let you know what I do. Howdy, howdy. I think we're coming up on something beautiful. I mean, I'll let you decide, huh? These are the middle falls. And if you don't believe me, take a look at the sign, you silly. It says Middle Falls. Okay, not gonna take too long. Take it in, take it in. You're right here with me, I feel ya. And here we are at the top. Check it out. There's that. But then, whoa! Hopefully you guys can maybe see out there. That's as far out as I'm going to get. That is one hell of a drop. And then, maybe you can see where we just came from. Way down there. So I can see the whole world now. I think we'll keep trudging up the mountain a little bit and find a place to be alone so we can go swimming. We made it to the top effortlessly, gloriously. So maybe we'll go down into that pool and take a swim, but that would sure suck if that water sucked me down and I went, wouldn't it? So upon second thought, maybe I won't go into that pool and we'll go up a ways somewhere a little safer, okay? A perfect little pool to baptize myself in. I enter the water in the name of unconditional love. Amen. And yes, it is cold, but it's very refreshing. Woo! Woo! Oh! Alright. The best part of the day right there, baby. The best part of the day. Yes! Feels so good. Hey, Dan here, wrapping up another good one. I hope you enjoyed that adventure. Man, it's one of the best I've had in a long time. I feel so peaceful and so energized at the same time, and yet, you know, like exercise, nothing better than exercise for like any kind of unconscious stress. It's like you're too damn tired to be stressed anymore, you know what I mean? So that was about 20 miles on the bike and about 6 miles up and down the mountain there. I feel great. I want to inspire you to go out and, you know, you don't have to do 20 miles or anything, but just go out there and walk and go have a good time and get out and breathe. Get out into nature. Right on? All right, I'm out of here.